my best win from being on Top Music Pro is just having a lot more peace of mind as a teacher and as a business owner. Just having that support group and access to all those resources, it just gives me that less less amount of hours that I have to do with research and everything. Hi, I'm Mary Chalaby. I live in Brisbane, Australia. I run my piano studio or music studio in the Redlands, which is a suburb in Brisbane. It's mostly piano. The school is called Koala Keys Music School. I'd been following Top Music Pro for a number of years at that point, or well, the inner circle, kind of the blog and all the YouTubes that Tim has been doing. So I already knew that there was a great resource out there that I could explore. So just starting my business, I just thought it was a really good time to invest in having a support group that would help me through the business side of things, not just the teaching side of things. So just learning how to do the ins and outs of being a business manager as well. And just also like having a bit more of a support group where it was easy to discuss things with people across the globe, not just in Australia. That I found that really cool. I started the business and things got, about 9 weeks after I started my business, we all went online. So that was the biggest change for me in 2020, and I could not have imagined that happening. So yeah, it was really great that my business actually succeeded in the year of 2020 because it was a pretty epic year to be attempting to run a business. But I got to 30 students pretty quickly in that year. The other thing is that I was also transitioning from being a teacher working in other schools to a teacher who's running my own school as well. So that meant that when concerts time came around, I was running the whole thing, which it wasn't a big deal for me because I'm an event manager as well. But it was also really cool to have this support group while I was just transitioning both into the new world of having to transition to online and also just running my own business as well. In regards to teaching, I think I make use of the Top Music sheets and the discounts a lot, like literally almost every week. So I really have so much fun just downloading the new booklet that we get with new music every month, and it being graded with different levels. That makes it so cool because everybody in the studio can find something to play. So it helps a lot with finding new music and finding new composers, really. Just having that great resource where I know I can always get professional development is really, really great. Yes, absolutely. Every teacher will find something that suits them, and with the new tiered sort of subscriptions you can choose, like there'll be something for every teacher. And like I'd be also considering to upgrade my membership when I want to grow my projects and things like that. It's worth every investment. It's absolutely something I recommend. If you're on the hesitant side, sitting on the fence, not so sure what to do, you could always start with the lightest subscription and delve into it a little bit at a time, dip your toes and see what it's like, and take it a month at a time. But I have a feeling you'll start swimming after a little while.